Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how you can use Chat GPT to write the summary of any book. So let's suppose you will write something like this. Can you summarize the book Atomic Habits? You can replace this name with the book you want and then you will press enter and it will now write the summary of this book. Actually it is like thinking, and when it's done it will actually starts the writing here. So now as you can see that it's writing. So it's a very good tool. You can actually use this if you have any kind of test in the school or any kind of assessment in the school. Okay, you can use this tool. So guys, that's how you can actually use Chat GPT to summarize any books. So if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.